From your perspective, looking at things from a reliability, resiliency standpoint, what are the challenges that you see of the grid?
I think first and foremost, Alan, is people still expect us to have a fully resilient grid. They expect when they switch the light on, the lights come on. And the grid is significantly more complex than it was when it was first designed. I think the deployment and accelerated deployment of distributed energy resources has, to the point you made earlier, definitely got upside. It helps us on that road to decarbonize, but it cannot afford to destabilize the grid. So technology-wise, if I look 10, 12 years ago when smart grid first came about, it was in its infancy. I think there was a lot of good ideas, but the technology wasn't there to facilitate the deployment at scale of smart grid, I guess, technology thinking. 12 years later, we're now in a position where technology is no longer a limitation. It is actually a facilitation of what we need to do on the grid. So as we continue to deploy more distributed energy resources, whether that be at transmission level or whether that's distribution, more and more at distribution level, we have to understand what does it then take to control that grid to ensure it stays reliable and resilient. And I think that's one of the challenges that we in the industry as a vendor or as a technology provider have to work with utilities and other technology providers to overcome.